Set the sail can start our history, training the brain as well as the memory.
From Pescara to Antalya, we weave a net, Ring Ring Roses becomes a sonnet.
Strings meet and take by the hand, we are ready to travel from land to land.
Weaving and weaving, the route is the same, those lands get boundless playing the game.
The shores of the sea begin to connect and remind everybody to recollect.
Peace is the seed that will bloom only
weather, we all get started to sail together!